All right, welcome back, everybody. We are on to Unit 8, and this is Chapter 11 in your book, and we're going to do some stuff that's not in your book as well. Today we're talking about line and angle relationships, and there's a lot to go over, so you might have to watch this video more than once. It's okay. Or just look at your book. Okay, so when you have two lines intersect, opposite angles are congruent. That's what this symbol is here, and they're equal. So 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal. That's called the vertical relationship. This happens at any intersection of lines. Adjacent angles just means you have two angles that are next to each other. Okay, they share a side. So 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 4. In this case, 5 and 6. Now, when you have two angles that add up to 90, these are complementary. They complete each other and make 90. So you can see here there's a 90-degree angle, and that's where you get 7 plus 8 equals 90. If you know one of the angles, you can figure out the other angle. When you have supplementary angles, those are two angles that add up to 180, and usually they make a straight line. You can see it here. Usually they are part of a picture. 1 and 3 are supplementary, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 4. You also have perpendicular lines where two lines intersect and make right angles. All four of these angles are right. We use this symbol over here. It's like an upside down T. I didn't draw it very straight. When we talk about lines, you use cursive letters. This is line L and M. Lines L and M are perpendicular. All right, so now we're on the next page. Let's put some of that information into action. If angles R and S are complementary, that means they equal 90. And we know one of them 65.3, angle R. What's angle S? I'll put an S here. All right, so one-step equation. You subtract 65.3 from both sides. You get S is equal to 24.7 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbol. Very important that you have that. All right, now when you have parallel lines, a few more relationships are created beyond what we've already talked about. So we have alternate interior, so angles that are inside the parallel lines and opposite, alternating, are equal, so 3 and 5, 4 and 6. Alternate exterior is same relationship except for on the outside. So 1 and 7, 2 and 8 are both equal. Okay. Corresponding is when you have two angles, an angle, you pick it up and move it down the line. So if I pick up angle 1 and just slide it down here, it fits with angle 5, and they're equal. There are four of these, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. I know this is a lot of information, so it's worth reviewing more than once. Okay. On we go. Let's put some of this into play. So if we have, what's the relationship between 11 and 15? So 11 is here, 15 in here. What that is, that's corresponding. You pick up the angle and move it down the line, and they're equal. So if we know that 15 is 78.5, oops, I wrote 178. Get rid of that. Find 11 and 9. So we already know that 11 is equal, so that's 78.5 because they're corresponding. Now 11 and 9 are vertical from each other, so that means they're also 78.5 degrees. All right, lastly, let's take a look at these. We know that angles RVT and UVW are vertical, so that means that they are opposite each other and equal. So 3x equals 5x minus 36, and this should bring back memories of our two-step and multi-step equation days. Get rid of the smaller variable first, take away 3x on both sides, you get 0 equals 2x minus 36. Next, undo addition before you undo multiplication. So you're going to add 36. So you get 36 equals 2x. And lastly, divide by 2, and you get 18 is what x is worth. Now, what is UVW? UVW, remember, is 5x minus 3. So we're going to put the 18 up in here. 5 times 18 is 90, minus 36 is 54 degrees. There you have it. Any questions? Shoot me an email, talk to me in class, or message me on Canvas. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson. Take your time, look over the material. I know it's a lot of material, but you got this. Talk to you soon. Bye.